So thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Rick Bailey. I'm an engineer at Texas Instruments. Last year, I was part of CIE's spring workshops. I led students in the catapult competition. Unfortunately, we didn't make it to the competition. We got sidetracked by COVID, but I tell you, it was a lot of fun. And because of that, I volunteered again this year to head up a sample demo program on robotics. So I'm going to give a quick overview of the robot that you see here. It's made by DF Robot. It's called the Micro McQueen, and I'll give you a very simple demo of a beating heart program. I want to point out on this slide, online information, there's instructions, library, shared code, and user groups for this robot. So there are people that share this robot worldwide in Europe and in Asia, very popular around the world. Next slide, please. I want to make sure that people, if you order this robot, let's see, go back. There we go. You order it with the microbit card. So you can get this on Amazon. So if you order Micro McQueen robot, do not order it without the card or you'll be disappointed. There will be a lot of things you cannot do without the card. Anyway, next slide. So I'm going to give a quick beating heart demo, how we program it to do a beating heart. The first thing you would want to do after you get your robot and build it is download the microbit library online. Next slide. Then develop your program. So I wanted to show how simple and easy is this program. You can see that beating heart consists of two screens. We have the top screen there with a heart with everything filled in, and the lower one with 3 blocks missing. And this is a simple loop. So this is programming using blocks. So anyone can start programming with these blocks. Next slide. If you begin to be advanced in some programming language like JavaScript, instead of blocks, you can use JavaScript, C++, Python. A whole number of programming languages can be used with this robot. And you can switch between blocks over to JavaScript and see, how would I do it in JavaScript? So you can learn by starting with blocks and going to other programs. Next slide. So after you do your program, the next thing is to transfer the program to the microbit card using a USB cable from your computer, as seen here. So next slide. So here we've transferred the program and we'll do the demo now to see how it works. Please click on the demo button there. So this is just going through a loop of 2 different screens. Simple as that. There's a program. Okay, next slide. Now I want to demonstrate just very basic mobile and audio using the robot. Please click on the happy birthday to you. Are there any birthdays out there? This was all programmed using blocks. Anybody can do this, very easy. Or if you have a complicated thing you want to try, you can look online, maybe somebody already has the code. Next slide. So I showed you the easy stuff. I'm a beginner. I just started this. So those are 2 things that I learned how to do. But once you get good at it, you can do a lot of things. So what I'm going to show you is a quick video on YouTube once you get advanced. I hope I have inspired a few of you to try the Micro McQueen robot. If you have any questions, click on the chat button and put your questions into the link that's there on the chat button. And thank you for your